welcome to another video of Mini C. Now today I'm making a butterfly sanctuary. And I got this stuff. And they all came from the same store, okay?
Toy store.
The Dollar Tree. These are all from the same store. So I got these fake butterflies. And little balls, I don't know what they're called. And little tiny blue rocks. And some fake pine cone, fake grass. And I surprised you guys. This is the top of the bird sanctuary. And I got some color rocks. We need butterflies to sit on something, so we got some rocks. Color rocks. First, we need the parents' help to glue this on top. Today, I got my mom here.
Okay. We're going to use this little piece of cardboard. I have some epoxy. If Mommy can get it open.
Cardboard.
Okay, can you take that off of there, Minnie?
Yeah.
All right, and this takes 5 minutes before we can mess with it.
Okay.
So don't touch for 5 minutes.
Okay. Now we're back, and now that is dry. Now we need something for butterflies to sit on. And what should we use? I want these ones to use first. Do not try this at home. Do not use this scissors at home. They're very, very dangerous. Last thing that we need these butterflies to attract butterflies. Okay, I think this purple one is the prettiest.
So we need a doll because we're going to use hot glue.
So we need a doll because we need a hot glue for this.
Okay, so this has a little wire attached to it.
Mm-hmm.
We're going to straighten out our wire some. We're going to bend over our butterfly here at the top. Now we're just going to use some hot glue and attach it right to the side of our butterfly sanctuary. All right, after your hot glue set, we can twist our butterfly and get him exactly where we want him to be.
The last step is a little bit of water in these fruit. Is that banana?
Mm-hmm.
Have some? After?
Yeah.
Okay. After a little bit of water.
That's good.
And now some fresh, yummy fruit. She keeps flopping because it's slimy and delicious. And then you place it in your garden and wait until the butterflies come. Make your own butterfly sanctuary. Hope you like and subscribe. Hit that bell. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.